Okay. Now start how to display that particular quiz on our website. So you will see when starting a quiz, you will see three different pages. First, we need to add a button onto this one. So let's start with my demo site. On the quiz page, there are three options. First, we need to add this Take Quiz button, which will direct us to the introduction page. So if I click on this Take Quiz button, there is an introduction page. So in this particular page, we tell what exactly is the good Smartarian or the first responder, what you will get after this, what is the importance of this one, and some of our logos of our initiatives. Just taking some time. Okay, this is the introduction page where we have written some of the detail about what is exactly the Good Smartarian quiz, support the initiative supported by, and some of the logos. There is a button called Start Quiz. Whenever we start this, when we press this button, we will get another page where exactly the quiz starts. So from here on, the quiz will be started. So we need to first create two different pages. One is this one, where exactly the quiz take place, and another is the introduction page. So we first create the last one, this page, because we need to add the link to this page, link of this page to the previous page. So let's start with this one. This page is already created for the Good Smartarian, so we just have to duplicate it. Okay, so we need to add the fire safety. So let's start with that. So on the left hand side, we will see a pages menu. Therein we can go for the all pages. Okay, I will search for a Good Smartarian. So that is, there are two pages corresponding to the Good Smartarian. We can see that. Search for that. There are two pages for that. This one. One is the Good Smartarian quiz on the road safety. This one is this. Welcome to the Good Smartarian. So that is a different one. Okay, that is, I think, so quiz. Let's open it. I'm opening in a new tab because there are two questions for that. Let me see that. There is a Good Smartarian, I think so. Smart. Okay, I was spelling mistakes. So the first one is the page where we like to start the quiz. Okay, this is the Good Smartarian quiz. So we just duplicate that. We have for this option clone. So I just clone the quiz. So new page is created. I call it as a fire safety quiz. I only need to update this one. QSM quiz equals to 2. No, in our case the quiz is what? 9. So we say QSM quiz equals to 9. The rest is same. So that will create a page for that. So this particular page is created. And also make sure we need to have the link of this particular page, because we need to add this link to the previous one. So we can see there is a permanent link for this page. This is called Good Smartarian Quiz 2. We can also update that. We can give a name called Fire Safety Quiz. Remember, in this particular case, we need to type in the letters in the small letters and no spaces. We can include hyphens, but no spaces between them. So I do it in OK. So I created a page with this link. Okay. So I just copy this link, copy this. Okay. That's for the time being. I paste it into the notepad. And update. So this is the page I have created. So this page is being created for the fire quiz. Now the previous one page, this one, where we need to add the introduction, an option to start the quiz and the logo initiative. So there is again a question with that, page with that. So we go for the all pages. The page is called as quiz on the road safety. I have given that name as. You can see at the top there is a title, quiz on the road safety. So that page will be quiz on the road safety. This one. That's the old one. This is the new one. So I make a clone of that. I call it as the fire safety. And that's a good smart idea. We can update the content, update the logos, but we need to only update this start quiz. Right? So if I click on the start quiz, you will see an edit option. Okay. And then move on to the link options. We will select our page, which is our fire safety quiz. So we have a page called fire safety quiz page. So this is our quiz. So I selected fire safety quiz page. Fine, this is done. So this page is also saved now, fire safety quiz. So the first page we will begin with is a fire safety good Smartarian page. Within that we have a start quiz option, which actually start the good Smartarian quiz. So both the pages are created. Now we just need to add a link to what? This quiz page. So when I go to the quiz, let's say we have a fire safety quiz. There is already a button. Okay. Now I need to update this particular page. Remember that. So I will search. Now this page has a title called quiz. So again go to the all pages, and we search for a page called quiz. Sorry. That's the quiz page. So we click on that. There is some code written over there. Okay, this is the good Smartarian of the first responder. Now we can see this is for a good Smartarian. We have added this code. We can see now there is a text called take quiz. We just copy this button, copy this line, and when we scroll down, we see the fire safety quiz button. So we already pasted that. This is already there for that particular page. I am just adding that. This one, right? I only need to change this particular URL. Now, we already added a URL, but that exactly corresponds to the quiz page. This is the wrong URL we have taken. Okay. So we need to update this URL over here. And how do we get that? So go to the all pages. I just click on the right click on the all pages, open in a new tab. So on the new tab, we can see our pages. We have fire safety quiz. We need to open the introduction page for the fire safety quiz, which we have given as fire safety good Smartarian. So if I click on this, you will see this is the link we are looking for. We can also edit that, like this is fire safety intro. Okay. Now I just copy this link. Fire safety intro. Okay. I update. Now I will copy that link. Right. On the other page, we need to only update this particular page, this particular URL. So I am updating this. So I am removing this and paste that. Okay. So now I click on a update. The quiz is added. So now I can see on the fire safety quiz there is a button called take quiz. Take quiz. When I click on that, the quiz which we have created for the fire safety goods material, when I click on the start, that will start the quiz which we have written, the basic information, and then it moves on to the other information. These are what required. So that's how we create the quiz and create the pages for the quiz.